Delmia machining for industrial equipment lets you work more quickly when time is crucial. Significant time savings are achieved through automated programming capabilities. Delmia machining allows you to easily transfer existing machining information of similar parts by simple copy and paste. This simplicity in programming is especially useful in early bidding phases when you need to be the most efficient. With Delmia machining, tooling designers, NC programmers, and shop operators can collaborate from the early phases of equipment engineering design to minimize costs and cut project time. Working with comprehensive machine programming capabilities, from 5-axis tools to complex mill turns, gives you confidence in the speed, efficiency, and quality of your programs. Overall validation time is reduced by using integrated simulation to validate programs instantly during programming. Delmia machining lets you work quickly and confidently with end-to-end collaboration to produce efficient, high-quality programs.